Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For our tutorial today, we are going to create a facade following this photo, and we will be using a pattern-based curtain panel. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. First thing we do is open a new family using a template, metric curtain panel pattern based. Once we are on the family interface, go to the floor plans, level 1. Select the tile pattern grid. Then go to the properties. Compared with the photo, the similar grid pattern will be the triangle bent. Then we are going to adjust the dimensions on the properties. Let's set the horizontal spacing to 1000 millimeters. Then, 3000 millimeters for the vertical spacing. Okay. This is similar to the triangle pattern in the photo. Next, use point element, and we are going to add it in the middle. Then add it on the 3 corners also. Then, select the corner point and the middle point. Click Filter. Then uncheck Adaptive Points. We will just need to select the reference points. Click the spline through points. Next, select the middle point and the other corner point. Filter to uncheck the adaptive points. Then select spline through points. Repeat the process on other points. Let's check it out in 3D view. We will need to add one more line. Okay, it seems our outlines are complete. Then we are going to select the middle point. Then on the properties, let's set the offset to 500 millimeters. Notice that it is forming as a 3D shape. Select the enclosed lines. Then click Create Form. Notice the choices below. Select on the surface. Then we go on the other side. Select the reference lines. Then click Create Form. Then do the same on the last side. Now we have our pattern completed. Next we go to our project file. Then go to the massing and site. Click in Place Mass. Let's draw a rectangle shape on plan. Let's go to the 3D view. Select the shape and click Create Form. We can adjust and set the dimensions of the mass. Select the surface. Then click Divide Surface. Click the grid pattern. Then from the properties, choose Triangle Bent. Then under the U grid, change the layout to fixed distance. Adjust the dimension to 3000 mm. Under V grid, change also to fixed distance, then the dimension to 1000 mm. Let's go back to the family that we have created earlier. Click Load into Project. Then on the project file, click the grid pattern. Then on the properties, scroll down. And we will find the family that we created. Select that, and it will be applied to the surface. Let's change the graphic display to shaded. Now we have a facade that was from the curtain panel pattern-based family that we created. This is a great example of a pattern-based facade, and you may create your own pattern using a similar method. Alright, that's it for now. We hope that you have learned to create a facade from this Revit tutorial. Please comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions of a tutorial that we should do. See you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.